Your hair can truly make or break your overall look, and it's the first thing people usually notice about you. But nowadays, everyone is facing dandruff and an itchy scalp that just won't go away, no matter what you do. This pesky problem can lead to a host of issues, including hair fall and an overall lack of confidence. But don't worry, in this video, we're going to say goodbye to dandruff forever with just a simple ingredients. The first ingredient is mustard oil, a powerful oil known for its strong properties. However, it's important to use it thoughtfully, especially if your hair is delicate. If you've never applied this oil before, make sure to mix mustard oil with a lighter oil like almond oil or any oil you currently use. If mustard oil doesn't suit you, feel free to stick with almond oil or any oil you're comfortable with. But if you're comfortable with mustard oil, nothing is better than that. The second ingredient is lemon juice, another powerful ingredient against stubborn dandruff. Lemon juice has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective for scalp issues. However, be careful not to apply lemon juice directly to your scalp, as it can lighten your hair. Instead, mix a few drops of lemon with mustard oil or any oil you are comfortable with. Once you have your mixture ready, apply it to your scalp and let it sit for about 2 hours. After washing it out, you'll notice visible results after the first wash. For those with stubborn dandruff, repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for even more amazing results. And let me know in the comments below about your experience with this.